Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 7. The food which is dear to each one of these threefold, as also sacrifice, austerity, and almsgiving. You may now hear the distinction of these.
Chapter 17, Shloka 7. आहारस्त्वपि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानं तेषां वेदम् इमं शृणु.
Chapter 17, Shloka 7. The three kinds, the sattvic, the rajasic, and the tamasic, of food, of austerity, and gift are described. The temperamental influences that govern the mind and its thought life express themselves in all activities in which the individual employs himself. In the choice of food, in the type of sacrifices which he would feel inspired to make, in the texture of his self-denials, and in the quality and quantity of his charity, he will declare himself as belonging to one or the other of the three types. Everyone expresses himself in one of these classifications due to the preponderance of one or the other of the three temperaments. In the following shlokas, we have an analysis of one's inner nature and outward expressions when one is under the influence of any one particular guna. These are not to judge others, but are for the unfoldment of our own personality. Each one has to purify himself from the dullness of tamas and from the agitations of rajas, and keep oneself in the creative alertness and spiritual glow of sattva. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.